Late afternoon in town here, and I'm just waiting at a hotel parking lot for a customer to show up with a brand new Bombardier for new job for Dad, and they're traveling all the way from Minnesota, so we're gonna wait here until they show up. There he comes, pulling into the parking lot of the hotel they're staying at, and this is how she looks as she first arrives. Completely taken apart here. It's nothing but the shell. That's like probably the parts here as well.
How are you, Larry?
Yeah. So they just arrived. They're doing some bullshitting in the shop. This is Dad's first inspection of the machine.
It's been done then. These bins have been done.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. We don't put axles in there anymore.
You don't?
No. I'm going to show you
Okay.
So
what are you hooking on the front here?
Whatever we want. But
Oh.
yeah, you know, we've got a toe point on it too.
Yeah.
You know, and it'll just unbolt as needed.
That has to be straightened.
Yeah.
Or covered. Eh?
Yeah.
You make a cover and weld it, but I just as soon heat it.
Sure.
This is, I do this all the way.
So what we're looking at here is what year is this?
It's 62.
62 narrow gauge.
Is it really?
Yeah. Doors fit nice.
Yeah, the guy did a really good job. But when we got it, it wasn't in great shape.
Is this bearings or bushings?
Those are bearings.
Brass bushings or needle bearings?
No, well, it's I think it's tapered rollers, isn't it?
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah, we've got those arms.
That's right, we do. Yeah, they're all.
No, there's nothing wrong with the paper rollers, but the older model had needle bearing center, eh?
Yeah.
And what you do is you knock all that shit out and put a brass bushing in,
Yeah.
and drill it in 4 places, and then this is very touchy on greasing.
Yes.
Well, you got to keep it greased. Yeah.
What do you got here? Oh, that's your
That's just a cart you can
okay.
wheel it around on.
Somebody cut the back out, and that's not necessary.
I know, I heard that after it was too late.
But we
I
can
don't know,
cut
we-
a nice piece and sheet it in.
Well, he said that it doesn't have to be.
that you could somehow lower the engine more. or-
No.
Oh, I thought we had it.
Jesus Christ, you gotta think a little bit. If the fucking rad is too close to the fan, you got the wrong shaft on or something. And then when you put the right shaft on and you put a 6-blade fan on, you got all the suction you want with a new rad.
Yep.
Now, if you need an inch more, you don't cut that out. You put a spacer in behind the rad, get it out a little bit.
Oh,
This way.
Go
Yeah,
that way.
So I think that was 2 minutes and 10 seconds before Dad was swearing at the new customer. So
Oh, about that.
I'm enjoying this. I think I'm going to antagonize him some more. I love the
So I have customers that want me
Yeah, right. You're all
But
about
it's
customer
just
service.
natural.
Right on.
Customer's always right, unless he's a fucking
Okay, so
asshole.
what I want to do, this is Halloween, eh?
Yes, sir.
So I don't want anything in the back of the truck that they can see.
Okay.
So we're gonna unhook this trailer out here.
Okay.
Anywhere.
Yep.
Your lights are on the road.
this truck is still running, Dad, I think.
Okay. And then we're gonna go
Yeah.
in the morning.
Perfect.
Okay.
Question
This
I
is-
thought about on the way up here
Yeah.
is, would it help you to move it around when you're ready to move it in, to leave it on the
Yeah,
trailer?
that's what I would like.
I'll leave you the trailer
Okay.
then.
And if you need a trailer to go back, I'll give you one to hook
Nope,
onto.
nope, I'm good.
Okay.
We'll
This is ideal because I'll measure the height and maybe I can put it in the Bombardier shed.
sure.
And then when I'm ready, I just pull it out.
Yep. And then I'll leave you the ramp. You can push it right off. And then once it's on the ground, I brought you 2 carts. I brought this low one,
Yep.
which is what the body guy wanted, so
Yep.
he could get it everything.
Yep.
And I got you another one that you can put it on. You can jack it up and roll it all over.
Are we gonna put a new pan in all the way through?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this part out
Okay.
Because what I do is this is just 10, eh?
Yep.
I use 1/8 and I start back here.
Yep.
I cut all this shit out.
Yeah.
And then you have one piece right to the front, eh?
So that's continuing on, going on through here. This is we rarely get them like this where Dad can. He's usually have to disassemble. Everything's already disassembled. It's already clean. So it's just a matter of putting it all back together.
Like that.
Yep.
With a nice
Daisy likes her new job here, and so we're gonna find a place to park this here right away, and then we're going to let these guys come back in the morning because it's late in the day.
like the last one I put in for, he wants to be able to lift this up, slide it out, and take it right out. And then the other one flips up.
Just flips up.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm going to show you both of them
Yeah.
tomorrow, and then
That'll be
you
great.
decide. We're going to spend a day together.
oh yeah, we got plenty
And
of time.
then
to
I'm
do it.
going to take you to Clearwater Lake and show you one that he had. He sold to another friend of mine, and we rebuilt it completely again. Eh?
Daisy's bargaining at me. She's had enough. So we're gonna let these guys keep on talking here. We'll just do maybe a quick walk around for you guys. And customers come in from Minnesota. It's our first international job. Again, it's a 62 narrow gauge. It's completely disassembled. And so this is the other side here, obviously. And we got to get this rolled off here tomorrow morning. We're going to just probably park this trailer here overnight, probably put it on the pad overnight, to tell you the truth. But we're going to help the customer deal with this here so they can go get some rest, because they're doing about 12 hours worth of driving. And we want to get them unloaded so they can go back to the hotel. And I think it's going to be a heavy day of visiting tomorrow, which is good. Dad loves his fans, and the fans, these guys sure said they sure love the videos. So we're going to continue on here likely tomorrow, guys. So we just unloaded the customer's parts trailer. This is the last piece coming out. It's the engine, and we hand bomb all the rest of the parts. So we're putting these guys to work. What do you think, Mike? Yeah? There we go. Everything is, exercise for the day. We're doing some visiting here this morning, but we're going to keep on going. So the customer's dropped off his narrow gauge here. He's going to leave it on the trailer for us so that we can easily maneuver it. I was kind of worried that they were just going to unload the Bombardier here, but we're going to be able to move it into place into the shop, and it's actually on rollers already. And so all we got to do is basically get this off of the we can back it in to the shop whenever we start working on it, and then it's on rollers and we can just spin it around. They brought this other little cubby trailer jam-packed full of parts. Some of it is good, most of it's good, some of it is destined for the scrap heap, but that was jam-packed. So once we get the other two Bombardiers unpacked, we are going to roll this in likely in the new year. So you guys stay tuned for this completely rebuilt and gutted narrow gauge 1962. And so we're going to do that. And I'm just waiting for Dad and the customers to show back up, because they've been gone all afternoon visiting and looking at Bombardiers. But stay tuned, guys. We're going to have a little bit more on this video. So these guys have been touring around all afternoon with Buddy Mike, and then Dad's still talking about details and whatnot. Sure, they could probably spend another day or two here, but they're in their glory. And so we're happy to have a new customer. This is the Minnesota narrow gauge customer, and we're going to talk some business here right away. I just spent the afternoon cleaning, and that's that.